all the way from sunny Victoria to Berrima Diesel in little old Berrima, New South Wales to get a turbocharger fitted. Baden's just doing the last few checks. Happy with this one, mate?
Yeah, it's all gone well. It's got about 200,000 Ks on it, this one, and like everything, he's looked after it. He's doing everything right by it, and he's done the right thing by getting the correct turbo fitted. And now we're just doing the tuning left on the road test.
Sounds very good, looks neat and tidy. Factory air cleaner lid goes on there. You've got your pipe running down to your turbocharger, the pipe coming off the turbo running to your crossover, and air back to the engine. Remember, I keep saying it, 6 injectors in a pump. Don't need those big plungers or big injectors, boys. You're just getting conned. Just keep everything stock, put the turbo on, a safe adjustment on the fuel loadings, and everything's ready to go. There's another job here done by Berrima Diesel. Keep watching here on our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or look us up at berrimadiesel.com where you can find out more about turbocharging your diesels safely.